This 5-minute solution will show you how to make multiple YouTube channels with one Gmail account. It's possible to create multiple YouTube channel with one YouTube account or one Gmail account. Just follow these easy steps. Open YouTube and click on your profile and click on YouTube Studio. Once you are in your YouTube Studio dashboard, click on Settings and here select Channel and click on Advanced Settings. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on Manage YouTube Account. And here you will get your YouTube channel section. Inside of this section, you will get Add or Manage Your Channel. So we need to click here. And as you can see, currently I have 2 channels. And to create a new channel, just click on Create a Channel. And that's it. Right here, the channel name. Check this box and click on Create. And as you can see, my channel has been successfully created. So this is how we can create multiple YouTube channel using one Gmail account or one YouTube account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.